Houseplan 5252's fairy tale cottage exterior with stone and wood accents makes it one of our most popular designs. An extensive outdoor living also helps it appeal to avid hosts and those who want to enjoy their surroundings to the utmost. The plans include beautiful arch elements, gable pediments, shed dormers, and other finer details to catch the eye. The owners of this particular home customized it with an extra entrance beside the garage, grand double entrance doors, and slightly expanded the square footage. Let's see what lies behind this welcoming facade. The home opens into a spacious foyer with a hall to the garage and a study to one side. With high windows, this space makes a bright yet private office or den. The dining room sits on the other side of the foyer. Flanked by a large window and a see-through fireplace, it offers an open feel despite its formal ambience. The great room is situated at the rear of the home. From this angle you can see two short hallways to the secondary bedrooms. The first bedroom is a private suite, perfect for guests or in-laws. In the next hallway, there are two more bedrooms, which share a Jack and Jill bath with double vanity between them. Looking out from this side, you can really appreciate the beauty and spaciousness of the floor plan. The unobstructed view between the kitchen and family room are perfect for hosting or keeping an eye on the kids. The dramatic cathedral ceiling is definitely a point of interest too. The kitchen offers plenty of counter space and cabinet storage between the walls and island. The fridge is paneled in this home and the door to the side conceals the pantry. Between island seating and the sunny breakfast nook, there's plenty of space to enjoy a casual meal. The master suite is tucked behind the kitchen through the doorway shown on the right. Tall windows and a soaring cathedral ceiling create a stunning retreat for the owners. And the master bath continues that with a double vanity, separate tub and shower, private water closet, and a huge walk-in closet. The home offers its awesome one-story layout, but there's also a bonus over the garage. Just imagine the possibilities with all this extra space. Outdoor living also expands the possibilities. With a roomy covered lanai, you can enjoy fresh air in all seasons. These homeowners finish their deck with a fireplace for warmth and extra atmosphere. You can too. For more information on Houseplan 5252, please visit our website.